Good morning, students. I Neela ma'am here. Today I am going to teach you highest common factor. In short, we call it HCF. Chapter number 3, Factors and Multiples. In earlier video, I have taught you how to find the common factors. Suppose two numbers are given to you, 24 and 32. Then factors of 24 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Then factors of 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Then you get the common factors. Common factors जो दोनों में ही common factors आते हैं उनको हम अलग से निकाल लेते हैं. Common factors of 24 and 32 will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then comes highest common factor. The highest common factor of the two or more numbers is the largest number in the common. In the common means the highest common factor HCF of two or more numbers is the largest number in the common factors of the numbers. HCF is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. We call it also greatest common divisor. Then comes how will you find HCF? First method is by listing all the factors. By listing all the factors. Suppose you are given three numbers. Consider three numbers 36, 42 and 24. Then you get factors of 36 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Then write factors of 42 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Factors of 24 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Then find the common factors. Common factors of 36, 42 and 24. Common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Common factors of the numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then in these common factors, 6 is the highest common factor. 6 क्या है? सबसे highest common factor है. किन numbers का? 36, 42 और 24 का. Which exactly divides the numbers 36, 42 and 24. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होता है? वो एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जो गिवन नंबर्स को फुल्ली डिवाइड कर देता है. फुल्ली डिवाइड कर देता है, कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर देता है. सबसे बड़ा कॉमन फैक्टर. इस तरह हम निकालते हैं हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बाय लिस्टिंग ऑल द फैक्टर्स. देन कम्स प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड इसमें इन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड फर्स्ट फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स एंड देन multiply the common factors to get the HCF of the given numbers. Here you are given suppose three numbers. Here three numbers. Find HCF of 48, 96 and 144 by prime factorization method. Here prime factorization method, you will find the prime factorization of 48, 96 and 144 separately. Then common factors of 48, 96 and 144. You will list all the factors of prime factorization of 48. You will write how you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 48. Then prime factorization of 96. How will you write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Then prime factorization of 144. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then find the common factors. Common factors. What are the common factors here? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 4 times and 3 1 time. Then the HCF of 48, 96 and 144 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. In this way you will find the HCF by prime factorization method. and your work is you will solve the question based on HCF by listing common factors and by finding the prime factorization method. And in my next video I will teach you how to find the prime factorization by short division method and continued long division method. You will solve the questions based on these two methods by finding common factors and by getting prime factorizations of the given number. You will find the HCF of the numbers. Thank you.